Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is my PM recap for the gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So on gold, we are getting very close to my next area of resistance. This is actually a weekly time frame Fibonacci level, so we do have to have a little bit of leeway. It could possibly go up and down a little bit depending on your broker, but it's right above the 4060 area, so we are definitely still very, very bullish. If it goes up there and then breaks structure to the downside, to be honest with you, I would still be a little bit cautious about my shorts because it could just make a little bit of a bigger three-way pullback like what happened over here. There's no reason to say that this needs to stop at the 238% Fibonacci extension of wave one on the weekly time frame. Yeah, I've seen wave threes go to the 261.8. I've seen wave threes go to the 361.8. So there's no reason to say that gold is over yet. And there's really no reason to say that this is even going to act as much resistance. I mean, it could just cause a little pullback and it could just keep on going up. So my recommendation is definitely going to be the same that it has been for several weeks now. I would definitely, no matter what time frame you're trading on, be looking for nothing but longs at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.